road again. Japan. Check it out. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Meg, I need you to say hello. I've introduced you as a good friend of mine, CBD Care.
Okay.
So how's it, Meg?
Hello, hi.
What are the dogs' names?
This is Duchess and Jackie.
Duchess and Jackie. Cool. How often do you come and walk?
2-3 times a week. Oh, nice.
Is it your quiet time?
No.
Yeah.
Between seasons.
No, I mean your personal quiet time. Does it help?
Will one walk with me? Yeah, go for it. Just, yeah.
Right, so the great trick. There's a guy doing this fishing down there. It's looking promising, the waves.
Oh, it's nothing.
What a great one. You never brought me here.
Have I never brought you?
Yo. Yes.
Haven't I taken you to that beach?
Yeah, that beach, but that's miles away. It's lovely, eh? And the sand is divine. All right, guys. I'll tell you about Sedgefield later on, okay? But you can see how nice it is. This beach stretches for miles. Keep rolling.